sweet palm wine.
Ah, my guy.
Sweet palm wine. You know your name is supposed to don't change that to Chichi sweet palm wine from Puerto Rico.
You no go owe me today. If you no get money, just begin to go. You see today, you no go owe me.
Chichi, na your man though.
No.
You know that they always pay you before now.
Bros, you owe money.
Wait now.
Chichi sweet palm wine.
Last time I paid you now.
Oh, because when are you sad? Are you bitter? Doctor said you no remedy. Chichi palm wine is here to remedy your head.
Chichi palm wine from Puerto Rico.
How much?
Puerto Rico baby. Baby.
Chichi sweet palm wine. Ona agwa.
You say me I bring my own can.
Mmanya drota. Ezoku mmanya dro. Chichi sweet palm wine. I know they sell credit.
What we say? I go pay you now.
See, I don't want typo. Madam, it's too like for me. You're one of my
This is not finish, oh.
Chichi sweet
If this palm wine finish, I go vessel.
If you want happiness, come and take this drink. Madam, not be you again. Not be you. Please, when you're done, give your son my cup to bring for me. Oh, cash and carry customers. Chichi sweet palm wine.
Chichi, no go sell for me. I'm so easy like this. Chichi. Chichi, so this thing go finish like this. So they will give me a
Chichi sweet palm wine. If you are lacking happiness, doctor say no remedy. Your remedy is here. Special sweet palm wine.
Not be
you
so.
Go make your heart to yori.
Chichi, not be so.
Yori. Chichi sweet palm wine.
So you no want to sell for me?
No, I don't sell credit.
Chichi, I don't go.
Na kodi o.
Ma go. Ma dey go.
Kodi o, badanya. Oye na ji ga na hu mmanya chi. Oye o na we ga na le ofo were mmadụ. Hey, ya bro mmanya ndị ogbenye. Chichi sweet palm wine. Chichi sweet. Na. What that igna? What say your father that I'm here? Chichi sweet palm wine. Go on, 3 cups, 500 naira. 3 cups, 500 naira. The first person to come now, when you go bazaar. When you go now, Chichi sweet palm wine. Chichi sweet palm wine is here, oh. Chichi sweet palm wine. Amy, come now. Can't give them as gagasna. Go. See, I know you love my palm wine. I want to give you 1 cup of it free of charge. I know you've missed my palm wine. I know you want some palm wine. Chichi sweet palm wine. Should I give you a cup? Yeah? Come, John. I don't know. You're a very stupid man. Every time you be pleading with me to sell palm wine to you on credit. After drinking my palm wine, when it's time to pay, you'll be dribbling me like Okocha. You'll be dribbling me like Desire Opera. Are you mad? Today you will pay me my money. There's nothing that will make me leave you without you giving me my money. Enough of this debt.
Why will I be hiding from you? Why? Am I the only debtor in this village?
Oh, Chelwa, wait first. You want them to give you chieftaincy title? Ojuogwo one of this village before you pay me my money? Or you want them to have a ceremony for you? If you know your daughter, give me my money.
Oh!
Emeka, you must give me my money. Chichi sweet palm wine and bread. You man live like that, guy. You not go chop my money, you won't eat my money. Give me my money.
I know why I'm leaving you.
Where do I go? What are you to you? You know why you... Emeka! Emeka! My whistle. Emeka! Okay. So bad. Hey, Emeka, go. Okay, you go to go. Emeka, you bought market. This is stop. that Emeka gave me today. Mama, there's no way I'm taking this insult. If you see what that stupid Emeka did to me today, every time you come to me, Chichi sweet wine, please give me wine on credit. Every time you tell me another story, please give me wine on credit. I've been giving him wine on credit. Today I caught him because he's been running away. Today I caught him and I asked for my money. He has the nerves to fight me, but he does not have the courage to pay me my money.
Just calm down. That is not the right way to treat your customers. Just calm down.
No, what, Mama? I don't even get your point. Which one? This is not. I don't know what you mean by this is not the right way to treat my customers. I gave him something on credit. Is he not supposed to pay me my money?
Yes.
Okay.
Calm down. Oh, just calm down. He will pay you. Oh,
it's time to treat him. Come.
Sister Chichi sweet palm wine. If you ask me, will I ask? And my problem with her now is that anytime she's angry, she acts like a mad woman. It's not good for her. I pity the person who fall into her trap. Because the person doesn't know who she is in this village. I wonder. Please, let's go. Please, let's go.
Nobody is chasing me. I'm going to Emeka's house.
See, don't go and injure somebody.
Okonkwo, Emeka really got on my nerves. That boy, he pushed me down today. I will teach him a lesson.
Chichi.
I will go with you.
I don't want you to enjoy yourself.
Okay. Where is that stupid boy? You had the nerve to push me down today. Emeka, where are you? Emeka! Fat. Let's go to the back. Emeka, you will not go scot-free. There's no way. There's nothing that will make you go. Shut up your mouth. Let's go. Shut up before you Uncle.
Who owns this goat?
Is Emeka's goat or is Emeka's family goat? I don't even care. I don't want to know.
Did you seek his consent before taking the goat?
Ha! Uncle, I do not need his consent to take this goat. He should thank his stars I did not meet him at home. I would have scattered his 2 left legs with my gun. Do you know that every time Emeka will meet me and buy my palm wine for credit? Each time he played with me, oh Chichi, your wine is very sweet, give me. I will give him. When it's now time to pay, Emeka refused to pay my money. I warned Emeka severally. Emeka refused. If I touch him, if I see him, he will run, he will hide. Today I caught him, I held him. I said, Emeka, you must pay me my money. You must pay me my money for my palm wine. I'm not a mugu. Emeka had the nerves to push me on the floor.
You mean you would have shot him if you have met him at home?
Hey, shooting understatement. I would have pieces his legs. He's very mad, he's stupid. Young girl like me, I'm struggling, hustling. If you know he doesn't have money to pay for palm wine, why drink my palm wine? Why?
If you commit any abomination in this community, I will not stand by you.
Uncle, don't worry, I will stand by myself. Nah, Okonkwo.
Well, I will come and see your mother soon.
And if you don't want me to be fighting, you can pay on his behalf. Oh. If you pay me my money now, we'll put you in your work.
If you need an abba, you get a power here.
Brother, Brother Chinagrom came here. She was here with a gun.
Look at this girl. In this village, I will tell her that I am the only Emeka in this village. Oh, she thinks she's stubborn. So she came here with a gun.
But there is no leave that one.
She took our goat, our only goat, to wherever. She said she will only give you that goat only if you pay her money.
Our goat.
That's a clear by me only affair.
I've declared war in this village. Oh, she took our goat.
Brother, we don't take it easy, oh. Hey, one girl. If you like, I can't no brother. Come on, please.
So you're still keeping this goat here? Chinagrom, take this goat back to the owner. Mama. It is because of I didn't go to work today. Take this goat back. I will not do anything. Let me dance. No. Mama. Why would you want to lose the goat now? Why would you take somebody's goat? Because Emeka has refused to pay me my money. And he had the nerve to push me on the floor. I went to their house with my gun. Unfortunately for me, I didn't meet him. I would have taught him a lesson he would take to his grave.
Chinagrom, you are not fair now. You are a girl, behave like one now. Why are you behaving like this?
Oh, wait. So because I'm a girl, I should allow them to drink my palm wine and go scot-free and push me. Fight me on top because I'm a girl. No, Mama. Unfortunately, I'm not that kind of a girl. I'm a girl that can fight for myself. If you want me to leave this goat, give me my money. You can pay for him. His money is 1,000. I think 1,500. I'll be 1,450.
You know they've not paid me in this.
They've not paid you.
I would have paid you.
Mama, please allow me. Mama, I beg you in the name of God. Allow me, Mama. Allow me. This boy has been drinking my palm wine and he refused to pay me money. I'm like the latter 1,000 something.
Chinagrom. It's not because somebody's owing you. You're not gonna take the person's something.
Yeah. So you have the infantry to come to my house and take my goat. Megu madeba now. Nah, Chichi, you know the fear. Let me go and take my goat. Hey!
Give me my money. Are you mad?
His mother. My BP will soon rise if you do that thing again. Hey, Chinagrom, because you are not Chinagrom.
So you had this money and you didn't want to pay. Don't idiot. Hey!
Can I take my goat now?
Yes, you can take your stupid goat. And look, before you had the money, you didn't give her money. Don't mind this stupid boy, Mama. Since money, no, and he even fought me. You know you have this money. You don't want to give me my money. You won't wait for me, Jam. I know why I'm allowing him to go scot-free. Hey! Useless
Emeka,
Mama, please stop telling me that. Can't keep Nama Adeka's too hard. And she soft that survive no good. If not the wife followed him, you wouldn't have paid me my money. Hey! So you snap that. Mama, I guess I laugh a way. If you guys say lay over that. I will not sell my palm wine to him again on credit. He must pay me.
It's not that Chinagrom That palm wine seller. I want to go and collect our goat back. She came out with gun.
Chimo.
She nearly killed me with her gun. If not that I'm Emeka the strongest in this village. We fought. But honestly, I would have been a dead man.
Brother, next time don't buy drink from that girl. She's not the only one that sells fine wine in this village. Bikokwa, I don't want her to kill you.
But she's the only one that sells sweet palm wine.
Today she was here with a gun. The next time she's going to come here, she'll come here with cutlass and cut off your legs.
Wow.
Then you stop buying drinks from her.
You know who I am? Who is she? Who is she? Eh?
I've said it all.
Huh?
I'm in the kitchen. Let me go and prepare your food.
I am the Emeka, the Indaboski Emeka, not in the apple. Who are you? Huh? This girl would have killed me on Bokan CJ. Thank God I came back with her good.
Avoid that, make she day her own, yo. Oh, oh. Give her space, she go give you space. Aha.
Where did you go? There is fire on the mountain. Where did you go? The king was at my gate today waiting for you. So where did you go?
So what did you tell him? Eh? What did you tell him? Couldn't you have told him that I went to buy something?
He was asking after you and I told him I have not seen you today. So did I do anything wrong by telling him that I did not see you?
You should have protected me. Don't I give you food when I cook food? You should have protected me.
What did you tell me anything?
Must I tell everything? I had a little challenge here and I was delayed. You should have protected me small. Did you know you don't have sense?
How?
What you didn't see me? You just pretend. Tell him, Madam Ada could just went to buy matches.
What would I have done? You never told me anything.
As my husband, I should tell you everything. You are a getty man, dressed like a man. Police will cheer. Look at your shoe. A gaba shoe. Just look at you.
Come out to the shop, oh. Come out to the wow. Strong like man, yo. Everybody just the fear.
All right, my son. I'll call you later.
Which kind girl be this, yo? If not die, you want that she go give you die.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What took you so long?
Your Majesty, I went to the market to buy things for the house. I didn't know they had finished.
Who did you tell? Have I not warned you that any time you want to leave this palace, that you should let me know?
Yes.
Don't you know you're like a wife to me here?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It will not happen again. I am so
Just
sorry.
go in there and prepare my breakfast.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Because I'm famished.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I was here earlier looking for you.
Oh, I went to the market to buy some things for the house.
I want to eat noodles. Make it and bring it to my room.
I will. Let me serve your father, then I will attend to you. Oh?
Make it fast. What kept you so long? You're so hungry.
It's here.
Okay.
Princess.
Oh, yeah.
I want to talk to you. Don't be angry.
Okay.
You know I know it's my responsibility to cook for the royal house. But as a mother, I want to advise you. You know what I can. Try and do small things for yourself. Like these noodles. You can make it. It doesn't take much. You can boil water for yourself. You can make white rice for yourself.
Oh, please!
you expect me, a princess of the royal house, to go into the kitchen and make food for myself? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, it's not what I'm saying.
Let me understand. Is that what you're trying to say?
No. What I'm trying to say is that even my sister's children, they cannot be in that house and expect me to go and cook and serve them. Look at the way you said it. What took you so long? Because they were raised well. They will do this one for themselves. It's your eating sins. It will let them. No, it's my duty.
Mrs. Adako, sorry. So what you're trying to say is that I, the princess of the royal house, wasn't raised well?
No, it's not what I mean.
Listen, as far as I'm concerned, you're still a servant in my father's house. The chef in this palace. Let it be the very last time you open your mouth and say things like this to me.
I'm sorry.
Mrs. Adako, I know you see yourself as the mother in this palace. But you're not my mother. You're a servant and a chef in this palace. You will give me food at any time I want it. If I call on you midnight, you serve me. That is your place. And let this be the very last time you open your mouth to utter such rubbish. The next time you try it, you will see the bad side of me. Rubbish.
Princess, you know why I try to say this is because I know most likely you may not marry the prince. You might marry a mechanic. And then because the woman's place is in her husband, and they go back Naija, they do.
Will you shut up and get out?
I'm sorry. You're gonna eat it now. You're gonna eat it.
What? Go get out! Get out!
Hey, I'm going now.
What gave this woman such guts?
Just push me out of her room. A big girl like that, she should be boiling water, not moving like that. Princess.
Madam Jess, why are you talking?
Oh, please, leave me alone.
Oh, please. I am hungry. Can I have some food from you?
Maya, you're the next person. Am I your wife? That I'm chef. Am I your chef? If you're hungry, go to the kitchen and dish food for yourself. Big or no?
Me? Go to the kitchen.
Me.
Do you want the king to feed my plate to the vulture?
Are you alive before? It's better he feeds you to the vulture so that he will give you proper flesh. Nonsense. If you're hungry, go to the kitchen. I've had enough for the whole day. For one day, I've had enough. Do you know what that's Princess did to me?
What did she do?
I just advised her. Simple advice. Princess, you're a grown woman now. Learn to cook. If not for anything, boil water. You can make curry. You can cook noodles for yourself. Wash your clothes. On this wash. No, I'm a princess. You know, she just smashed and closed her door on me. Almost pushed me down. If not that I held myself well, this waist would have broken.
Did you?
Idiot. If you will now open it and show you.
Let me ask you one question. What have you been passing through in this para that you've not been passing through since? Can you feel pass it through?
And I just told you now. The girl wants to make me a perpetual slave. That I'm chef, am I not a human being? I started cooking for her right from when she was a baby to today. Does she want me to cook for her till she enters her husband's house? Yeah, I'm tired. I'm like a mother to her. I'm just trying to teach her small things. That this woman, she's evil. She only took care of herself. She didn't take care of a child that was thrown into her hands. I beg, leave me alone.
What do you expect from her? She's royalty. So whatever she says stands. So manage what you're saying this time. Just give me the food and you can have no
idiot. You're just a big fool. She's royalty, therefore she can do anything she likes. Is she the only royalty in this kingdom? I don't know other people that even in the neighboring kingdom, don't they have royalty? Don't they have princesses?
Dad, I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
What troubles the beautiful princess of this kingdom?
Is it not the chef you brought in the palace? Telling me that I need to learn how to cook for myself in this palace. Dad!
What do you mean by that? The same woman you're calling a chef is the woman that have been training you since your mommy's demise. You must have to accord her some respect.
I don't understand, Dad. Do you expect me, a princess, royalty, to go into the kitchen and make food for myself when we have palace maid and a chef?
Then why didn't you call the maidens to fix your food for you, instead of waiting for a woman old enough to be your mother to cook before you eat?
Are you trying to say that what I did was wrong?
No, my princess. What I'm trying to say is, I will caution her. I'll talk to her. Guard!
Highness.
Go and bring the chef here immediately.
Thank you, Father.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy. Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
I'll be in my room.
Okay, I'll see you.
King someone's.
Tell me I'll see him soon. Or you want to drag me?
Everybody in the jail for you.
Leave me. I'll slap you. This way, because you go to my drive uniform. I will slap your face.
Just because of ordinary food, you're angry. Please bring my food. I want to eat though.
Greetings, Your Majesty. You summoned me.
My daughter told me that.
Yes, I spoke to her the way a mother will speak to her child. I told her once in a while she should try and cook her meals. At least she's a woman, it will help her.
You spoke to her just like a mother will speak to her child, by telling her to enter the kitchen and cook her own food.
Yes, Your Majesty, but it doesn't stop her from being the princess of this kingdom. It doesn't remove anything from her.
She is royalty and must be treated as such.
Yes, I know. She's growing. She's a grown woman now. You can't keep treating her as if she's a child.
But not by telling her to enter the kitchen and cook for herself. There are so many maidens in this palace that can cook for her. She's my princess.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Now leave my side.
I've warned you to stop disturbing my life, Ogini. Stop disturbing my life.
You are the one who is disturbing my life by not allowing me to show you how much I love you. I love you so much.
Now listen, I can never be your girlfriend. I have my Emmy, and my Emeka is enough for me. Okay?
Please, who is Emeka? Does his mother manufacture men like me? What can Emeka give to you that I cannot give to you? Man, look at me very well. Look at me. Listen, I am suffering from lovingitis already.
Oh, shut up! If I'm to be you, I will back off. Yes, I will back off.
I am not going to back off until you give me a chance in your life. No, I won't back off. I love you so much. I can give you anything you want. I can do anything for you. Look at this. What kind of... what is Emeka giving to this girl that I cannot give to her? Even if she likes head, Isiazu, I can give it to her. Hey! No problem. I am going to wash.
It's me, your food. I brought your food.
Fine girl. Thank you.
Come in.
My princess. Please, I'm sorry. I won't advise it. Oh no, no. See, I've closed the mouth like this. I won't say it again. But not for your good, too. It's not as if I meant. Sorry.
You're still talking. Sorry. Shut up. Just get out. Clear this plate.
I won't say it again. I'm sorry. Would you go again?
Take the plate and get out! Come back here. This should be the last time you try that.
I won't say it again. I said it just for your life. It's not as if I meant.
I said get out. You know your problem, you just talk too much. For a servant.
Mama. Mama. Mama, what is it? Why is your face like this?
Keyo, what is it now? My beautiful mother, Keyo.
No, it's nothing.
Mama, you should know I know you very well. You can't be alright with your face squeezed like this. Eh?
Just that something happened in the palace today that got me thinking.
What is this that could have possibly happened that got you in this bad mood?
I tried to advise the princess and she started insulting me.
Eh? No, she did what? No, Mama, leave me. Mama, princess do not have the right to insult you. You are not her mate in any way. Not brother. Oh, because she's royal blood. That's why she will disrespect my own mother. She's her mom's mother. Mama, I know where I'm coming down. I'm coming in to where we're not.
No, it hasn't gotten to that. I know what you're capable of doing. Just let her be.
She insulted you.
I don't want you to go to that palace. For my sake, don't go there. Don't go there. You go. Let peace reign. In fact, I'm happy now. Can see I'm laughing now. Can see I'm laughing. I'll go me away for.
It's alright, Mama. So bad. I know what to do.
Have you eaten? Okay. Let me go and quickly prepare something for you. Oh, Jim Mano, what I can make on that side. Oh, let me quickly prepare it. Chichi, sweet palm wine is here. Are you suffering from pain, heartbreak, or power? Uncle Gab, you're gonna buy your medicine is here. Chichi, sweet palm wine. Chichi, sweet palm wine is here. The special palm wine is now. Someone you wanna soy man. My drink is very sweet.
My prince.
How are you?
Chichi sweet palm wine is fine, no. Are you the one selling the palm wine?
Yes, now I'm the one selling the palm wine. My name is Chinagoron, but my company name is Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. All you need is Chichi Sweet Palm Wine, and you begin to sing
Okay.
because this drink will make your heart to jollificate.
You are indeed a funny girl. Can I taste it?
Yes, you can taste it.
Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. Don't say had I know. Special palm wine, Manyandeze. Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. Yori palm wine. My friends, you know say na testing. So.
Wow. This love.
Oh, Chichi Sweet Palm Wine.
Where did you get it from this village?
Yes, from this village. There's one young boy like that. He's my personal tapper. He goes to the bush very early in the morning to tap this thing for me. But you can't get this kind of sweet drink anywhere in this village. I'm a man. All popular demand. Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. Everybody knows.
So how much is the one I drank and the one I'm taking home?
This one, do you want to finish it? If you want to finish it, you can take this one 15 naira. If you take it 15 naira, because full cup like this is 200, half 100 naira.
Alright.
But this one is for home. I don't have takeaway gallon because I just finished selling to Mazinkwo.
No problem.
So it has finished.
Hey. This is 5,000 naira.
Chimo, Inekwe mint. Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you. I did not expect this. This is too much. Thank you.
And another thing is, I want you to bring it to the palace tomorrow.
I can bring it to the palace now. What else am I looking for if not for a prominent customer like you? Even if you want me to do webbing for you or to even do DHL to America, anywhere in this world, I can send my Chichi Sweet Palm Wine.
You are indeed a funny girl. Alright, I'm expecting you tomorrow.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you, my prince. Thank you.
Hey! Chichi! Thank you. Hey! Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. Chichi Sweet Palm Wine will give you yori. Hey! Chichi is still around, oh. Come and patronize your girl. What did I do for my money? Sweet Palm Wine!
Welcome, my prince.
Joe, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my prince. I wonder what is keeping you going.
Don't worry, Daddy, we'll get to.
Dad, I'm home. Here you go. You're welcome back, son.
Thank you, Father.
How was your trip?
Fine, Dad.
Good.
Dikeh, you're getting fat. What are you eating?
Food.
How's your trip? My trip was fine. My trip was fine. Father, how is everything?
We are doing fine. Thank you.
I'm very tired.
I missed you.
I miss you. You don't call me.
And you don't call me either.
I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, the food is delicious.
It's nice.
This is lovely.
Thank you, my friends.
Is this all water? Water, please.
Just a little. Is anybody enjoying this food like I am?
Yeah.
Is that?
Are you sure?
The food is delicious. I must confess.
Thank you.
Father, can you believe this? I drank the sweetest palm wine today in this village.
Are you serious?
Yes.
In this our village?
Yes.
And who did you buy it from?
From a lady along the road.
In that case, that same palm wine needs to be supplied to this palace.
Yes, I have told her already.
Good. And don't forget to include my own.
Don't worry yourself, Father.
Brother. Hey, yeah. Brother.
Where did you hear that one? Minister of Information.
Brother, I saw him with my own eyes. Yes.
Okay.
Brother, you know I want to be the queen of this village. I want to be the queen of this kingdom.
So.
Brother, I'm just saying that I want to be the queen. Am I not beautiful? Look at my
So.
Brother,
So.
Brother, did I say anything wrong? I only said I want to be the queen of this village.
Naked. You want to be the queen of this village? You didn't even ask yourself if the prince has beautiful girls in the city. Yeah, you want to be the queen of this village. Haven't you heard about that? I even wonder why my mother gave birth to you. Was way.
My children, I called you here because I want to know when people are getting married. I want to carry my grandchildren on because I don't know my time on earth.
Mama, stop talking about your time on earth being over. You will live long. You will eat the fruit of your labor. And as for us getting married, don't worry, we'll do something about it.
Exactly, Mama. We've heard all you've said. Okay? As for me, I'm waiting for Uzoma, my sister, to get married first. So it not be as if I don't have respect.
Mary. If you've seen someone already, you can go ahead and get married.
Are you serious? I should marry before you?
With my full permission, yes.
Hey!
Is that right?
Yeah. Thank you for your understanding.
Mama, it's okay.
So when am I expecting?
Very soon, Mama. Yeah, very soon.
You're happy now,
said so. He said so.
Very soon. Don't worry, you carry your grandchildren.
Yeah. I heard that Igbo's son is back this morning. You mean the twins? The prince, man. Oh, why didn't you tell me? So that we come and welcome him to the show. I just heard of it this morning from my sister's daughter. My sister's daughter? Is it Chinagoro? Chinagoro came and no. Oh, let us rush because I don't want Igwe to see us as one of the bad.
Yes.
Igwe, we are happy that your son, the prince, is back.
Yes, Igwe. You now have time to rest for some time. Because you can delegate some activities to him.
I am not here to kill myself. I'm here to rest. See, the stress is too much.
My prince, we know you should rest. But also remember that you need to help your father in activities in the community.
Don't mind him. I will not waste time by showing him where I stopped.
Father, can you allow me to go on first? Because what you say now will enter his head.
Son, you can take all the time in the world to rest. But when I am ready for you, nothing will stop me. Unless you don't want me to enjoy my life before joining my ancestors.
My son, remember, you need to take over from your father. But most importantly, you should look for a wife.
Son, I agree with him. So start looking for someone with royalty.
Father, can we forget about this royalty of a day?
You are royalty, so you need a royal blood.
Father, this can we think of?
So my elders, let's help us.
Hey,
are you not eating?
I'm not eating, no.
Why?
I'm so excited. Oh, Bina Samore. Mama, do you know what happened today? The prince of this land drank my palm wine. That is not just the good news, though. He drank wine of, let me say, 50 naira and gave me the sum of 5,000 naira.
Wow.
He didn't end there. He said, henceforth, I will be the one supplying all the palm wine they will be needing in the palace. So right now you are looking at royal palm wine supplier. I'm telling you, Mama, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Mama?
I don't ever want to see you in that palace.
I don't understand.
I said I don't want to see you set your foot in that palace.
Why?
I said so.
Mama, I don't know why you would say so now. You don't want me to do my palm wine business again. Do you know how much I will make if I supply palm wine to the prince for a whole month?
Can I eat my food in peace?
Mama, no. Mama, no. If there's anything you're hiding, you have to be open. You have to be open. Oh my, hey, call on Kamaro. I don't get it. How can you just wake up and decide I should not take my wine to the palace? My palm wine is only for the poor.
Can you stop this matter?
Mama, no, I will be supplying my palm wine at the palace. So.
Whatever you're doing there, don't ever tell them I'm your mother.
Mama, I don't understand what this is all about. So, Mama, you left up. I'm to Mama in the palace. Now, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. No, this is your money.
But what about the other pantry? When are you going to start the wine?
Maybe later in the evening.
Please. You know this my palm wine is popular demand.
Trust me.
Once I take this one to Mass, okay now, I will be left with nothing. And you know I have many customers, eh?
Okay.
So I'll be waiting for you.
Alright.
Okay,
take care.
Alright. Are you going to work?
Chichi sweet wine. Chichi sweet wine. Chichi sweet wine. In on depression, it is sad. Well, because you are my wild customer, I want to treat you. I know you will love it. Is it not Chichi special palm wine? My cuckoo love. Let me just keep it. Thank you. I know it must be your father that sent you.
Yes,
How much?
200.
200, okay. Hey, You've grown, oh. See small girl of yesterday. You're a pretty girl, oh. My regards to your father. Tell him that I'll bring 1 cup of palmy for him tomorrow, free of charge. You know he's my good customer. Oye,